Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ooh, that was sick. That was scary. Guys, it was worth it. I'm just gonna lie. We had a bad landing. No. Yes it is. Yes it is. Everybody's safe. We had. Oh my god. My heart is coming out my chest. So we were landing and the plane kind of tilted and ran all the way off the runway. I can't show you because I'm sitting by an emergency exit, but whew, it was scary. Like when I tell you I'm shaking, look at my hands. Thank you so much. Thank you. But everybody's okay. Everybody's good. Oh my god. Yes, baby. Hold on for a second. Hold on. Oh man. Flight attendant just brought me some wine while we wait for the fire trucks. We're waiting on the fire trucks to get us off the plane. But she just brought me some wine. She's a wino. Oh man. Y'all did great. Thank you. We wait. I said y'all did great. Thank you. Thank you. No, thank you. That's why I only fly Delta. Yeah. Yes. No. He kept me calm when he was here because I was like, we're done. Like, I really thought that, no, y'all. We're waiting. They got the fire trucks surrounding the plane.
They'll probably have to tow us back to the gate.
They'll bring like a van for us?
No.
Okay.
They'll tow the whole plane.
Oh, okay. They're going to pull us on the plane? Oh, wow.
I think so.
Okay.
Captain will give us an update as soon as he knows.
Okay.
As you can imagine how much going on up there right now.
Okay. Woo! I know he was scared because he was right there at the front. So, guys, when we were landing, everything was good. Like the flight was smooth. I'm live, so because you know this is live. So the flight was smooth, but when we landed, for some reason, you know, the plane tilted like this and came down like bow. You know what I'm saying? And so we're all off the runway and everything. Yeah. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. No, thank you. What's your name? Anna. Thank you, Anna. Thank you. No, we're good. We're good. I'm alive. That's all that matters. Y'all, my nerves is bad. Look at me. You see me? This is real. This is how much I'm shaking. I called my babies. I was crying. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Oh my God. But you know what? You know, your life flashed before your eyes. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know if it was wind. I don't know what it was. You know, I know the wing is messed up on the plane, and I know the engine is kind of messed up. But whew, Delta handled this great. They really did. So I got to give it to them. When that plane hit on the side, like bam, we was like, oh shit. So we're good.
I understand many of you have connecting flights here in Atlanta.
It's okay.
Believe it or not, we do have a little bit bigger issue than that right now that we're trying to resolve. So if you would just hold your questions, please, for the time being, until we get everything resolved. I haven't heard back from the captain, but as soon as we do, I promise we'll get you some answers. If you miss your connecting flight, the agents on the ground will rebook you on the next one.
Oh my God. This Delta, y'all, they handled it good. So they handled it good. Thank you. Okay, but listen, when they let us off the plane, I'll let y'all see like the outside of the plane. So I'm not gonna just sit here and go live and stuff like that. So, but everybody's good though. We're all like, everybody's safe. So I don't know if the captain okay. They won't let us know. So I ain't suing nobody. I don't sue people. Okay, so I'm alive. That's all that I need. I'm safe. I ain't got no, you know, I'm alive. The pilot got some explaining to do. No, shit happens, y'all. Just like when we in, you know, in our cars, shit happens. So yeah, we can't get off yet. So I'll go back live and let y'all see the outside of the plane when they let us off. We're waiting on the fire trucks to get us off the plane. Okay. All right. Crash landing. All right. Bye. Okay, hold on. All right, guys, we're getting ready to deboard. They got the stairs outside. Emergency trucks, you good? You good now?
Yeah.
You scared?
My heart was
I know, my heart was racing too.
I like wouldn't slow down.
I know. My husband's so nonchalant, so. Alright, everybody getting ready to the D-board. So, I told y'all I was going to go live when we got off the plane. I got the stairs outside the plane, so. Give me 1 second. You got my purse? Yeah. It's over there. Okay. Thank you. Say hi to my viewers. Oh, shit. What is that? Oh, it's fine. That's enough. Okay, I know. But yeah, say hi.
Hi, dear.
He saved my life. He told me to stay in my seat with this damn plane. Thank you.
Awesome. You take care of it.
No, thank you. Thank you. Sorry. Let me put my mask on. Sorry about that. Yes. Look at King of Pop talking about put your mask on. I just noticed that.
We're all survivors together.
We're all survivors. We're all going to remember this moment for the rest of our lives. Yes. Say hi.
Hello.
Everybody happy to be alive? Yes. Yes. So, whew, God is good. All the time. Every time a plane take off, I pray for everybody on the plane. I say, get us all back to our families. So, yes. I don't know. You know what? I think they said from the reports that 2 tires went flat or something like that. I don't know what caused the plane to tilt sideways, but they'll give us more information later. You know more information? No? Okay, I understand. Trust me, I know how it works. I ain't gonna put you out there now. You got a job to keep. No. He got a job to keep. I ain't trying to mess with that now. You know how Delta is. Yes. Oh, y'all miss me. Y'all give us just a second, okay? We're gonna deboard this plane. I'm gonna let y'all see what it look like on the outside. Yeah. Shaq talking about he wasn't scared. You wasn't scared, Shaq? Huh? He said he didn't panic. Whatever. He was looking like, what the, because he was asleep. So he woke up like, what the going on? Yes. So Delta was amazing. They took care of everybody, okay? So y'all don't be hating on Delta. I'm Sky Priority now. Look. We held it together. We did that. Oh man. You think here? Tell the viewers now. You thankful because CBS, NBC, and all them they watching now. They waiting on the video.
I said I'm thankful to the captain for hanging on like he did.
Yes, he did. Okay. Yes, he did. Sorry, I'm a news reporter. So.
Are you really?
Yeah. So, yeah. My husband was like, "Don't go live." I'm like, "Bullshit! I'm going live." Look. Yeah. Unwind with Tasha K. So like you drink wine, unwind with Tasha K. Yes, yes. So, all right, we're gonna get off this plane in a second. Whew.
You got 305,000?
Yeah, I mean, yeah. Like that.
You got 26.
No. Yeah. Oh, you see me high. Look. So I know he panicked. You know, Shaq be trying to act all cool, calm, and collective. Like he done been on a crash landing before. And then he started playing airplane games when we was done. He has an airplane game on his phone, and he practicing landing. Look. Yes. Hey, instead of getting... Hold on for a second, y'all. I gave your pictures to CBS and Fox and them, so they already got them, yeah. I just need your Instagram handle.
Okay, well,
Can you text me? Since I have your number, text me your Instagram handle. So they'll credit you.
I don't need credit.
I'm just saying, you know, they get pictures, you know, so...
Okay.
Yeah, just text me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Did you get it when we were in the dirt? Did you get a video when we were in the dirt?
No.
She got the plane like in the engine dirty and stuff, so...
No.
We'll get to see it all now once we get off the plane. Yes. Baby, can I sit right here? Because my head is hurting. I'm like trying to, I'm like this. I'm like this the whole time. I'm like, baby, let me. Oh, okay, okay, cool. That lady okay though?
She got off her, so.
Oh, that's good. Okay.
What was the guy that was trying to get out? He said, I gotta get out. His wife is in labor, so we're like.
The lady had a baby?
We're just doing a bus change.
Yeah, so she was
Causing a little delay, but
She in the
that's
hospital
about
now?
it.
He was trying to get off.
Oh, okay. So you let him off or no? That's good. Good. Look at Delta. Guy had to get to his baby. His wife was in labor, and they let him off the plane so he could get to the hospital. They made us all stay though. They said, sit your ass down. Look. Look. Oh man. Hold on, y'all. Yeah.
You're famous.
Oh no. No, 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 no. Oh no. Huh? Unwind with Tasha K, like you drinking wine? Yeah. Thank y'all. Y'all so sweet. Thank y'all. Got some new winos on the plane, y'all. It's hot. Yeah, it's on Instagram. You on Instagram?
Yeah. But probably everybody's.
Like wine. There you go. Yeah. Okay. Hold on, y'all. Grab some biscuits. Y'all so ghetto. Talking about grab biscuits on your way. I got them cookies though. I ain't gonna lie. He hooked me up. So. Got my cookies, Smiley.
But it felt like a long time, so who knows how long it was.
I know. I couldn't imagine how the pilot was feeling when the shit went up. Like, he like, damn, I'm first, you know? Whew. Yeah. We've been sitting on here for about an hour.
Woods, pretty face, but I'm known for hitting drugs. Got him like, too good. To the yard, he ain't never leave his pretty, on God. Broke, too good. Real boss, nigga, got the Woods, pretty face, but I'm known for hitting drugs. Got him like, too good. To the yard, he ain't never leave his pretty, on God. Broke, too good. Real boss, nigga, got the good. Real boss, nigga.